Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable plugins in the Google Chrome web browser. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon, and you just need to scroll down and select settings. And in here on left side you just need to select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down and select the site settings. In here you just need to scroll down under the content. You can able to see the different plugins as well as the additional content settings. So for example, if you want to disable JavaScript, select it and select don't allow sites to use JavaScript. For example, you can allow certain exceptions to these rules by customizing the behaviors down here. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.